If you remember, we had discussed about our basic merge technique. We took two posting lists for two different terms. For example, it is Brutus and Caesar. So we took two different posting lists or their respective posting list, and we performed the query of your Brutus and Caesar, and finally we were getting our output. So in the output, we were getting those document IDs which are common to both, okay, where both Brutus and Caesar are present. So here, if you remember the discussion, so this is my Brutus, this is the term, this is another term. I want an AND operation between these two. So this one is the posting list for Brutus. This is the posting list for Caesar. So now when I'm performing Brutus and Caesar, so I'll be trying to find out those document IDs which are common in both. So I can see 2 is here and again 2 is here. So 2 is the document ID where both Brutus and Caesar are present. Similarly, we have 8. Here you can see 8 is present, here also it's present. So 8 is also present in both the posting list. Thus, Brutus and Caesar is also present in the document ID 8. So finally, this is our output. Okay. So here we are doing a linear scan. Okay, one after the other, one after the other. We are going and doing we are comparing it with this posting list. Okay. So when we are going one by one, I think it's taking a lot of time. We know that this is in sorted order. Both the posting lists are in sorted order. So instead of going one by one, okay, can you suggest me any other method? Can you suggest me any other way out to do the same thing? This is another way to do the same thing. Okay. Now here what we are doing is the concept of skip pointers. So for 2, we were keeping a pointer. There was a pointer for this posting list. There is also a pointer for this posting list. Okay. They were going one after the other. So first 2 is compared with 1. Both are not equal. Then we see that 1 is less than 2. Okay. Since this document ID is less, we were proceeding to the next one and again doing a comparison between these two. So there's a match. So इसका pointer next को जाएगा. Similarly, इसका pointer भी now it will be moving to the next document ID. Okay. So now 4 and 3 will be matched, compared rather. So we see 3 is less than 4. Again, यहाँ का pointer next को जाएगा and again 4 and 8 के साथ comparison होगा. Now 4 is less than 8. So we 4 का pointer next हो जाएगा. So now this 8 will be compared with this 8. Now there's a match. So this 8 will be included in my answer list. Okay. फिर अभी इसका pointer इधर जाएगा, फिर इसका pointer next हो जाएगा. Then again it will be proceeding in the same way. So instead of that, what is being done is another pointer is being kept whose name is skip pointer. So what it is doing is, instead of going through all the document IDs, we can jump through some of the document IDs. Okay, 2, 4, 8, 41. Okay, 2 के बाद हम फिर 4 को कंपेयर करेंगे, फिर 8 को कंपेयर करेंगे, तो 2 के बाद मे बी हम लोग 8 तक एक जंप ले सकते हैं इंस्टेड ऑफ कंपेयरिंग ईच एलिमेंट. ठीक है. So it is basically used to skip postings that will not figure in the search results, which you think कि एक एक करके सर्च करो, उससे अच्छा दो चार छोड़ के जंप कर लो, because they are in a sorted manner. Okay. So now how and where do we place the skip pointers? And this is an example. Suppose हम लोग यहाँ से शुरू किए हैं. Okay. Already we have started and now suppose हम लोग यहाँ पे पहुंचे हैं. 8 and 8 हम लोग का मैच हो गया है. ठीक है. अभी नेक्स्ट मेरे को जाना है. ये दोनों मैच होने के बाद यहाँ का पॉइंटर इधर जाएगा, इसका पॉइंटर भी इधर जाएगा. So now you can see here it is 41, here it is 11. So 11 is less than 41. ठीक है. 11 is smaller than 41. Okay. Now at 11 you can see there's a skip pointer pointing to it, and that pointer is storing the address 31. That means यहाँ पे वो jump करेगा. Similarly, at 41 there is another skip pointer which is storing the address of 128. So that अगर यहाँ पे skip pointer you are using, so that will be jumping to 128. So next comparison will be 128. 41 के बाद instead of comparing with 48 and then again with 64, 41 से तुम direct 128 पे jump कर पाओगे. Okay. So in the previous slide we saw that 41 and 11 के comparison जब हम लोग कर रहे थे, तो 11 is less than 41. Okay. तो अगर skip pointer नहीं यूज करते हैं तो what we will do is we will be heading to 17. फिर again 17 and 41 compare होगा, फिर 21 पे जाएंगे, 21 and 41 फिर compare होगा, फिर 31 पे जाएंगे, 31 and 41 फिर compare होगा. Okay. So from 11 to 21 what we will be doing, we will be moving our pointers 1 2 3 times pointer movement होगा. Okay. तो फिर 3 pointer jumps होंगे and जब 17 पे पहुंच जाए एक बार कंपैरिजन, 21 पे पहुंच के एक कंपैरिजन, 31 पे पहुंच के कंपैरिजन, 3 बार कंपैरिजन होंगे, 3 बार कंपैरिजन होंगे, 3 बार जंप्स होंगे. ओके. बट even when we reach at 31 and we compare, we see still 31 is less than 41. Okay. So we can say कि 31 से पहले जो भी नंबर्स हैं, अगर 31 41 से लेस है तो 31 और 11 के बीच में जो नंबर्स होंगे वो भी 41 से लेस ही होंगे. तो अगर वो लोग लेस हैं, then there's no point of comparing these two with 41 and wasting our time in that. We can save that much of time when we are using skip pointers. Okay. So 11 तो द स्किप सक्सेसर, मतलब ये जहां पे फिर स्किप करके जाएगा, it will be the successor is 31. Okay. So हम इन दोनों का comparison with 41 that can be discarded and we can directly after 11 a comparison with 31 and 41 के बीच में comparison can be done. Okay. Now we need to decide कि हम लोग skip pointer रख तो देंगे, कितना को skip pointer रखेंगे. Okay. If we are keeping more skip pointers or more skips, okay, that means this is one skip, this is another skip, this is the third skip, this one is the fourth, this one is the fifth skip. तो इस पोस्टिंग लिस्ट में तुम्हारे 5 ठो स्किप हो रहे हैं. ओके, तो here you can see the number of skips are more than the second posting list. Okay, when this number of skips are more, that means comparisons will be more. Okay, time consumption in this case will be more than this. Okay, so these will be your shorter skip spans. These are the skip spans, these are short. Okay, so more skip means shorter skip spans are there. Okay, and lot of comparisons are done. In case of this diagram, you can see the skips are longer. Okay, when there are less number of skips, when less number of skips are there, so here only 2 skips are there, that means the skip spans will be short, sorry, will be long. Okay, and here you will be getting few successful results. So they will be jumping such a long distance, and if you find this is greater, then again somehow you will have to traverse back and check. So now how many skip pointers or how to place the skip pointers? So the idea is if the length of the posting list is L, you need to use root over of L evenly spaced skip pointers. Okay. So if skip pointer का length तुम्हारा suppose 16 आता है, skip pointer that means उसका length means total number of document IDs present in the skip point, sorry, posting list. Posting list का length अगर L है और suppose posting list का length अगर 16 है, that means total number of document IDs are 16. Then root over of 16 evenly spaced skip pointers should be used. So root over 16 is 4. The total 4 number of skip pointers should be used. Okay. So this theory works very well when you are working, you have taken a posting list and you started working on it. But if in the posting list you are doing some more insertions and deletions, then as a result, the total length of the posting list will change. If you are deleting it, then it will be reduced. If you are deleting some document IDs, and if you are adding some more document IDs, then the length will be incremented. When the length gets incremented, suppose और दो डॉक्यूमेंट तुम पोस्टिंग लिस्ट में जोड़ते हो तो 16 की जगह सपोज तुम्हारा हो जाता है 18, तो स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 18 शुड बी यूज्ड. स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 16 वाला जो फंडा था फॉर स्किप पॉइंटर दैट विल नो लॉन्गर बी वर्किंग वेल. Thus, if the posting list size is changing, accordingly, the skip pointer should be changed and placed.